Let's take a look at setting a print area. Now, by default, it will print whatever fits on there. But let's say you want to specify a certain part to be in a print area. Remember, if I come down here, this second option here, this will show me what will print. Now I'm going back to normal view. Let's say I just want to print this first part. So I'll click with my left mouse button on A1 and drag down to maybe B9. So I got that selected. Now, if I go to page layout, there's a print area option here. If I choose the print, and this is, I should say, under the page setup. If I do the print area and I click set print area. Now, if I come over to here, that still shows this view. But if I do a file print, notice now it only shows what I actually set. So don't think that if you go down to that bottom option that you'll be able to actually see it. The print area is a little bit different than that. Now to clear the print area, you go back to page layout, go to print area, and you clear print area here. Now let me select these first ones here. I'll do print area, set print area. And again, let me do a file print just to really demonstrate that. You see what's going to print. If I select another area, this down here, and I go back to my page layout and I go to my print area, there's now an option that says add to print area. It's already set to print area. So if I click add to print area, now if I do a file print, we have this page, but see it says page 1 of 2. And if I scroll down, I did the mouse wheel to scroll down, you see that it prints this. So when you add to the print area, it prints it on a new page. So sometimes that may be handy to know. Now let me come up here and do a print area and clear print area. Now let me highlight this and hold down my control key and highlight this. Now let me do a print area, set print area. Now if I do a file print, you see I got this right here, and then the other three are on this page. So again, if they're not next to each other, non-contiguous, I believe is what they refer to that as, you see how it behaves. If I come down here and click page layout, again, you don't see any difference there. If I click the page break preview, this you do see it in this manner. So it shows you what's printing. So different options available on what you feel comfortable with. I never like to go to the page break preview option here. You can also go to it under the view. Some people like that. I like just because I immediately just do a file print and see what it's going to print, and then I can go from there. And that's how you'll set a print area.